are two unidentified flying objects above Yellowstone. One is above the geyser that is just stationary, and you see the other one slowly starting to move. Now, if you look at the object that's moving, look at the ground below, and you can see that there is a light being cast down upon the ground, upon the surface of the ground. It's kind of faint, but you can still see it. Now, this was the actual speed of the video that was taken from Yellowstone. What I've done here is I've slowed it down by 70%, and I've zoomed in on the UFO that is actually moving. You see it far in the distance, coming forward, coming closer, moving toward that little geyser, and you see the light getting brighter and brighter. Still moving forward. And notice how significant that light has changed. It has gotten very, very bright and very intense. Now, as you're watching this UFO move across, look at the road down below, and you begin to see the light being shone down on the ground, right by that white dirt road. It's faint, but you can see it. So this UFO is so bright, it's casting its light down upon the earth. Let me explain to you guys why this is kind of a big deal. In case you didn't know, Yellowstone is a supervolcano, and normally it has around 1,000 earthquakes per year. In 2017, it had 2,357 earthquakes. This is a lot of earthquakes. Not only that, we need to talk about ground deformation. Normally, back in the old days, when there was only 1,000 earthquakes per year, there was a little bit of ground deformation after an earthquake. That's the ground settling up after an earthquake. But as of 2017, with the 2,357 earthquakes, there has been significant ground deformation. Ground deformation is caused when magma is flowing underneath the surface of the earth. In Yellowstone's case, it would be 3 to 9 miles underneath the surface. Let me show you for a moment how much ground deformation there has been. Take a look at that map for a moment. Notice the unusual colors in the circled area and in the surrounding areas. That is the amount of ground deformation in the last couple of years. And it has gotten significantly worse in 2017. Now, were these UFOs just sightseeing because Yellowstone is a beautiful place to see, or are they trying to give us some kind of warning that the supervolcano under Yellowstone is becoming more and more active? Tell me what you think. Leave your comments down below. If you like this video, hit the like button. If you really liked it, hit the subscribe button. I'd like to hear your thoughts. Y'all have a great day.